Let me show some examples of the nuqtas that are used in different scripts. This is a nuqta which is built in a curvy motion. This next nuqta that you see is an angular square-shaped nuqta used in Arabic calligraphy scripts. If you see here, you will find that all the four corners are very sharp. Even if you see in this angular square shape, all the corners are sharp. Now, if you see at the middle nuqta, you will observe that the three corners are sharp and this fourth corner on the right side is in round shape. This is the nuqta which is used in Persian calligraphy. Let me show you how to create a nuqta. Just for the demonstration, I'm using another special qalam which is not meant to be used in this course. Simply drag your qalam diagonally up to the point before it gets the square shape. And without lifting your qalam, keep the tip of the surface and draw a rounded shape of the corner and drag the qalam to reach the other end point like this. So basically, there are three sharp corners in it and one rounded corner to the extreme side of the nuqta. Just focus on the movement of my qalam, the way I create the nuqta. Start with full qalam and then build the round corner with the tip of the qalam without lifting it up. Always remember, the rounded corner of the nuqta is always on the right side of it, while the other three corners are sharp. Nuqta is basically a unit of measurement used in calligraphy. For example, if I write a letter alif, then you might be thinking, what is the height of this letter? All of these measurements are determined by the nuqta. Say, the height of the letter is 3 nuqtas. We will measure the letter by placing nuqtas with the same qalam in a way that the lower nuqta should be started from the corner of the previous nuqta and placed in exact vertical position. In the future lectures, you will see that I will be using the nuqta as a unit of measurement for all the letters with the same qalam. We will use the same qalam for both writing and measurement purposes. You will also see that instead of a nuqta, I will demonstrate with just a dot. So, whenever I use a dot, it means nuqta. Also, for the measurement purposes, where half nuqta is mentioned, I will be denoting it by drawing a small circle like this. So whenever you see a small circle shape, it means the measurement of that area is half nuqta. And wherever I use a dot, that means a full nuqta. Just to give you an example, before even using it, I will draw a letter noon. Now I have drawn a letter and I say one nuqta here, one here, one here, and one here. I just simply place dots in there, which means that there should be a space of one nuqta in there, like this. And if I'm using a half circle at this place, it means that the measurement of this area should be half nuqta.